Hey, what's up everyone? I received this train set from Funwe as a gift to give you an honest review, and we love this. My daughter played with this for hours when we opened it. As you can see, she has made her own little village. There's like little trees and tents and tunnels, and she had so much fun with this thing. Now this thing will make noises as it's going around, and steam comes out of this. You just add 20 milliliters of water in this little spout right here, right next to the exhaust port, and it just puffs and it goes. And I love how it also has the controls right on top of it, which makes it easy for my daughter to control. It can go forward or backward. You can pause it, and you can also turn off the steam if you prefer not to have that, but I wouldn't see why you wouldn't want it. But it's so cool. This track is also huge, so it'd be great if you were going to put like a Christmas tree in the middle of it as well. So as you can see, it fit my daughter and myself just fine in this track. But I think you can buy extra, and you can actually buy like the passenger car if you want to. This only comes with kind of like the coal car, and then like kind of like freight car. But we love this thing. Now, the only thing that I do have to say about this is that it came with these little connectors between the tracks, which is very difficult to plug in together. But honestly, I don't think you really need it. We haven't had any issues. Like half of these tracks don't even have that little connector to secure the connection, and it is pretty secure, and I don't think it's really needed at all. But that was my only thing about this, but we love this. We love playing with this. Fun, we had so many awesome toys. We had their water guns a little while back as well. But hope you all found this helpful, and have a great day. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.